Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am creating a Diwali makeup look and I have used a red lipstick that goes with every festive occasion. So let's get started. I'm starting with my eyes and I'm taking LA Girl Pro Powder. This is a translucent powder and I'll use it to prep my eyes. This will act as a primer on my eyes. Then I'm taking L'Oreal Paris Pro Artist Genius Kit and I'll be using the powder side to define my eyebrows. This kit is one of my favorite brow kit. This has wax side and the powder side. You can obviously use the wax side first and then the powder to make your brow makeup to last for a longer period of time. I'll be using MAC black pencil to create an eyeliner on my eyes, and you can say that I'm creating a wing on the outer edge of my eyes. And then I'll use a thin brush, an angular brush, to smudge this and create a smudgy black eyeliner look on my eyes, as you can see. And then I'll also apply it as my kajal and use the same angular brush to smudge it out. You can use any other eyeliner or kajal to smudge and create this kind of look. Then I'll be using my PAC eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using the copper golden shimmer shade. This is one of the pigmented eyeshadow palette that I have used and I just love this eyeshadow palette a lot. So I'll use a flat brush and I'll apply the shade on my entire eyelids and I'll go till my crease line, as you can see. Then I'm taking this golden shade from my palette using another flat brush and I'll highlight my brow bone area and also my inner corner of my eyes. And you can see my eyes look glam. Now for my lashes, I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational, one of my favorite mascara, and I use it like every time. You can see how it instantly boosts my lashes and my lashes start looking bigger and voluminous. After applying it on my upper lashes, I'll repeat the same on my lower lashes, and yes, you can see my complete eye look. Now it's time to go on with my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you like. You should use a moisturizer according to your skin type. I have normal to dry skin, so I'm using a moisturizer that will hydrate my skin. For my foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Match. This foundation has a shimmer in it, so it works really well to create any festive makeup look or for any night makeup look. And this works really well for my skin type, so it will work good for normal to dry skin type, provided you have moisturized your skin really well. Girls, I'm not quite sure if it works really well on an oily skin type, but if you have used it, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'm using a foundation brush to apply this foundation on my face and then on my neck as well. Once I have blended it properly using the foundation brush, I'll use my fingers to tap on my skin. This step will ensure that my foundation gets blended properly with the warmth of my fingers. And you can see once I'm done with this step, my foundation looks flawless. Then I'll be taking Dear Darling tint from Etude House and I'll apply it on both sides of my cheeks in dots, and then I'll use my fingers to blend it out. And you can see it gives a very natural red tone on my cheeks. This looks quite natural, and that's why I love applying liquidy or creamy blushes or lip shades as a blush. So yeah, I'm done with my blush. For my lip shade, I'm taking Ruby Woo shade from MAC. This red shade is like a killer red shade, and I think most of us has this red shade. This is like a must-have red shade. For my concealer, I'm taking Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'll take a very small amount of it on my concealer brush and I'll apply it under my eyes in dots just like this, and then I'll blend it out in a triangular shape. This will give instant brightness to my eyes. This concealer is one of my favorite concealer and I highly recommend you girls to give it a try. This perfectly conceals my dark circles and it gives medium to high coverage. And once I'm done with the brush, I'm using my ring finger to further blend this concealer, because you girls know how much I love blending, and key to perfect makeup is blend, blend, blend. Also, the leftover on my brush I'll apply on the bridge of my nose, just like this, and I'll also apply a bit on my chin and just near my lips to cover any bits of darkness, and I'll use my fingers to blend it out. Now again I'm using LA Pro powder to set my entire makeup. So first applying it underneath my eyes to set my concealer, and then I'll go ahead with the same loose powder to set my entire makeup using the same fluffy brush. And yeah, it's done. I'll be using NYX setting spray to set my entire makeup, and to complete my look I'll wear matching earrings, and this is my complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So happy Diwali to you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.